आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे रॉबर्ट ग्रीन। रॉबर्ट ग्रीन 1558 से 1592। He was one of the university wits. He was very famous for his pamphlets as Green's 1592 gross worth of wheat 1952 brought with a million of repentance 1952. Repentance 1952. All these pamphlets were believed to be an attack on Shakespeare. All these pamphlets were believed to be an attack on Shakespeare. He did his BA from Cambridge and MA from Oxford University. और ये रॉबर्ट ग्रीन जो है ये यूनिवर्सिटी विट्स भी है, यूनिवर्सिटी ऑफ कैम्ब्रिज। He published many genera as plays, romance, and autobiographies. Green's literary career began with the publication of Mammalia, a mirror of looking glass for the ladies of England, 1583, dedicated to Lord Darcy of the North. Green's romances were written in a highly wrought style which reached its highest level in Pendasto, 1588, 1588 and Menaphon, 1589. Menaphon is dedicated to Lady Hales, wife of the late deceased Sir James Hales. One song from Menaphon, Weep Not My Wanson, A Smile Upon My Knee. ये मदर लावली to her baby son enjoyed immense success and now probably his best known work. In addition to his prose works, he also wrote several plays, but none of them were published in his lifetime. It included the Scottish history of James IV, Alphonse Ferrier Bacon and Ferrer Bungay, Orlando Foriso based on Aristotle's Orlando Foriso. On attacking Shakespeare, he used a term, shake and scene, to refer the actor. Green attacked Shakespeare as an upstart crow. Green attacked Shakespeare as an upstart crow because at his end time Shakespeare had been an upstart actor contributing on Henry VI and King John. An upstart crow beautified with your feathers is a title quote from Groat's Worth of Wheat. Green wrote a looking glass for London and England in collaboration with Thomas Lodge. The comical history of Alphonse, King of Aragon, was also written by Green in 1590. The comical history of Alphonse, King of Aragon, was also written by Green in 1590. ग्रीन इज मोस्ट फेमिलर टू शेक्सपियर। ग्रीन जो है मोस्ट फेमिलर है शेक्सपियर फॉर हीज पम्पलेट्स ग्रोट्स वर्थ ऑफ वीट विच अलाउड्स टू ए लाइन और टाइगर्स हार्ट वर फेड इन ये ओमेन हाइड फाउंड इन शेक्सपियर हेनरी सिक्स पार्ट थर्ड 1623। वर्स बाय ग्रीन ये मेडन्स ड्रीम 1591। इट इज डेडिकेटेड टू लेडी एलिजाबेथ हॉटन वाइफ टू सर विलियम हॉटन। प्ले बाय ग्रीन है फेरर बेकन एंड फ्रेर बंगी 1590। ओरिजिनली entitled द हॉनरेबल हिस्ट्री ऑफ फेरर बेकन एंड फ्रेयर बेंगे, ये कॉमेडी। सीक्वल, जॉन ऑफ बॉडेक्स और द सेकंड पार्ट ऑफ फेरर बेकॉन। द हिस्ट्री ऑफ ऑर्लैंडो फोरिसो 1590। थर्ड है ए लुकिंग ग्लास फॉर लंदन एंड इंग्लैंड विथ थॉम्स लॉज 1590। ये लुकिंग ग्लास फॉर लंदन एंड इंग्लैंड विथ थॉम्स लॉज के साथ 1590 में। It recounts the biblical story of John and the fall of Nineveh. It is a noteworthy example of morality play. The Scottish history of James the Fourth, 1590. The comical history of Alphonse, King of Aragon, 1590. Sixth work है Groats, Worth of Wit. It was printed for weight by John Dante and John Wolfe. Groats' worth was reprinted by Thomas Green in 1596. Thomas denied it in 1594 in the edition of this book, Princess Pennywell calling his work a स्केलेड ट्रेवलर लाइंग पम्पलेटर्स। अब इसका हम लोग देखेंगे अदर वर्क्स बाय ग्रीन। अदर वर्क्स बाय ग्रीन, फर्स्ट है मेमेलिया, ये मिरर ऑफ लुकिंग ग्लास फॉर द लेडीज ऑफ इंग्लैंड। इट इज डेडिकेटेड टू लॉर्ड डार्सी ऑफ द नॉर्थ, 1583। Mammalia, the second part of the Trumpet of Palace, 1593. It is dedicated to Robert Lee and Roger Potigoton. तीसरा, Farewell or to Folly, it is dedicated to Robert Gray. Pandosto, it is dedicated to George Clifford, 1588. The Anatomy of Lovers, Feltres, 1584. It is dedicated to Mary Rogers, wife to Master Hawks Rogers of Everton. Arvasto, the Anatomy of Fortune, 1584, dedicated to Mary Talbot. Ephas, his censure to Populators, 1587, dedicated to Robert Devereux. 8 है एल्सीडिया ग्रीन्स मेटाफोर्सिस, 1670, डेडिकेटेड टू सर चार्ल्स बेलमोट। ये हम लोग का था रॉबर्ट ग्रीन। आज हम लोग देखे पूरा रॉबर्ट ग्रीन बायोपिक उसके बारे में और उसका वर्क वर्सेस बाय ग्रीन, प्ले बाय ग्रीन, ठीक है, वो अदर वर्क्स ऑफ ग्रीन। ओके, थैंक यू फॉर वाचिंग।